Wendy, what are you doing?
I am preparing for an epic journey into the heartland of hurricane season. This is going to be a Class 5, Class 10, first Class 10 ever in the history of the world. And I'm not going to scream. You got to get in. Because I scream in every other video. Yes, yes. Oh, too close. Whoa, it's getting a little windy. It's getting a little, it's just a little windy.
I forgot to hit record.
Oh. You're a liar.
I know. You know me too well already. Oh, I thought we were stuck.